Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. It's Miel Vlog with Family.
For today's video,
we're going to show you how to make a mulberry tea. Hindi natin siya guys sa aking mulberry plant. Kasi sayang naman yung mga dahon niya kung itatapon lang natin kada tayo magkakat or magpupro ng mulberry. Kaya gagawin natin siyang tea ngayon. Kasi madami siyang makukuhang health benefits. Ito na guys, papakita namin sa inyo. Forget to
like,
subscribe, and to click the notification button for more video updates. Okay, bye!
bye!
Let's start trimming to get more leaves. And also, it will help the mulberry to bear more fruits. Keep on pruning. Don't you know that mulberry trees were well known in the ancient civilizations of the world? Mulberries were popular with the ancient Greeks, and the fruit was dedicated to Minerva, the goddess of wisdom. Mulberry trees are fast-growing when young, but soon become slow-growing and rarely exceed 10 to 15 meters, 30 to 50 feet tall. Here are the leaves that I got from my mulberry plant. I already washed it. Let's remove the leaves from the branch and air dry it. Mulberry tea is the tea which is extracted from the mulberry plant leaves. It is inherent to Asia, but now it is cultivated worldwide. The traditional Chinese medicine uses mulberry leaf to assist in improvement of vision, clearing liver, expel wind, clears heat. Here's the another batch. I didn't remove it from the branch, ready for air drying. But I prefer to wipe the leaves first to make it easier to dry in the air. Here's the result. After 4 to 5 days, it's already dried. Here's how it looks like when dried. Leaves were quite brittle and remained green. Mulberry teas possess the minerals and vitamins which help to prevent the health ailments such as weight loss, diabetes, cold symptoms, and blood vessels problems. Prepare a clean bottle for storing dried mulberry leaves. Now you can crush the leaf using only your hand or a grinder for a final result. Mine, I only use my hands to crush the leaves because I don't want the leaves to be too much refined, and I put it directly to the bottom. I mix it with chamomile tea. I just wanted to try if it tasted good, mixed with mulberry tea. Of course, we need to remove from the tea bag before mixing with mulberry tea. Chamomile tea is loaded with antioxidants that may play a role in lowering your risk of several diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Chamomile has properties that may aid sleep and digestion as well. Here's the finished product.
heart health by reducing cholesterol and blood pressure levels, decreasing inflammation, preventing atherosclerosis, a buildup of plaque in your arteries that can lead heart disease. Mulberry extract potentially beneficial for diabetic patients with kidney disease. Mulberry extract supplementation may benefit those suffering from kidney damage caused by diabetes, known as diabetic nephropathy, according to a recent Iranian study. You can also add or mix the Blue Ternate Butterfly Pea flower to add more flavor. Blue Ternate Butterfly Pea is rich in antioxidants, improves skin health, it can slow down the skin aging process, prevent premature aging, and improve overall skin tone and texture. It can also nourishes hair follicles, promote hair growth, reduces hair fall, and slow down the graying of hair. So sit back and relax and have a cup of tea. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.